Finn's Fun Trucks, Farm Fleet, written by Finn Coyle, illustrated by Sramali Basani. I'm Sandy the farmer. I run my farm with the help of some really awesome machines. Each one has a job of its own. Can you guess what each one does? This is a tractor. Can you guess what it does? Cab, exhaust pipe, tire. A tractor helps me move around the farm. It can also pull a lot of my other machines. This is a plow. Can you guess what it does? Mast, frame, mold boards. A plow attaches to the back of a tractor. It turns the soil over so crops will grow tall and healthy. This is a spreader. Can you guess what it does? Hopper, agitator, hitch. A spreader attaches to a tractor to spread fertilizer in the fields. It can also feed the crops when they are young. This is a harvester. Can you guess what it does? Unloader, cab, cutter bar. A harvester cuts down the crops when they are fully grown. It can also separate and collect the food from the rest of the plant. This is a baler. Can you guess what it does? Bale chamber, wheel, pickup. A baler attaches to a tractor. It makes bales of hay that I can take to the barn to feed the animals. This is my farm fleet. Can you guess what they can do when they all work together? Baler, tractor, spreader, plow, harvester. They can help me grow all kinds of great food. This has been Finn's Fun Trucks, Farm Fleet, written by Finn Coyle, illustrated by Sramali Basani, narrated by Henry Rogers.